Today I'm going to teach you how to install the events calendar in Elementor. This powerful plugin will help you manage and display events seamlessly on your WordPress site, making it easy for your visitors to stay informed about upcoming activities. Let's get started with this straightforward installation process. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your browser and navigate to your website's admin page, typically found at your domain name followed by /wp-admin. Enter your username and password to access the backend of your site. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage everything related to your WordPress installation. Once you're logged in, look towards the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Locate and click on Plugins. This will expand a submenu with several options for managing your site's plugins. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This action will take you to the plugin repository where you can browse and install thousands of plugins designed to extend your WordPress functionality. Now you'll see a search bar in the top right corner of the plugins page. Click on it and type in the events calendar. As you type, WordPress will automatically start searching its plugin database and display relevant results. Look through the results carefully to ensure you're selecting the official events calendar plugin, as there may be similar plugins with comparable names. When you've found the correct plugin, you'll notice an Install Now button next to it. Go ahead and click this button. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to say Activate. Click the Activate button to enable the plugin on your site. Activating the plugin makes it functional and ready to use. After activation, you'll typically be redirected to your plugins page where you can see the events calendar now listed among your active plugins. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the events calendar in your WordPress site, and it's now ready to work seamlessly with Elementor for creating beautiful event displays. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.